Well, hey there, my name is Drew Crocker, and I am honored to be serving as this year's senior class president. As you may know, Bob Jones is home to a collection of wonderful organizations like Student Government, National Honor Society, and various clubs that have the potential to make an incredible impact on our community. However, with just under 2,000 students, it can be difficult for organizations to effectively represent their members. Additionally, some organizations lack the funding necessary to make a positive impact on their school and community. That's why this year we're introducing the Council of Presidents. From Rocketry Club to National Honor Society, each club plays a critical role in making Bob Jones amazing and deserves the ability to represent their members on a school-wide platform. The Council of Presidents represents a unified body of leaders from organizations across the board who are dedicated to building a stronger, more interconnected student body through collaborative initiatives and effective communication. The Bob Jones Council of Presidents offers organizations an opportunity to speak on behalf of their members by suggesting impactful service projects and school-wide initiatives. We're dedicated to giving students a voice. It's our mission to supply all Bob Jones organizations with the funding necessary to make an impact on our school and community. That's why this year we're partnering with the Bob Jones PTSA. As you know, right now, the PTSA is raising $20,000, and the majority of that is going to go directly back to the students via the Council of Presidents to help fund amazing school events and activities. We're already planning community-wide events and school spirit opportunities that will enhance the atmosphere here at Bob Jones. The Council of Presidents will empower organizations to push forward into the future with a trajectory of success. We're so excited about this opportunity to unite our school. This is the Council of Presidents.